Good morning. We continue with the chapter Permutation Combination. In the last class, we solved a question x1 into x2 into x3 is equal to 30. Find the number of triplets which satisfy this equation where x1, x2, x3 are integers, positive integers. That's the question which we solved. What we try to do is list out the possible combinations and take the total different cases which are required. But suppose if the number on the right hand side is increased, then obviously listing out the cases will become more. Suppose for example, instead of 30, I change this as 60. Now the number of cases listing out will become more. So therefore, whenever we deal with such questions, how do we take up? That's important question. I can increase this to 100, I can increase it to 1000, whatever be the number. Or the number of variables can be, instead of 3 variables, can be 4 variables also. In such cases, how do we handle the question? That is important for us. So whatever we have on the right hand side, we try to split into factors. Say for example, 15 into 4 or 3 into 2 square into 5. Now 3 into 5, 15, 15 into 4, 60. That's what is the question now. So this is the power is 1, it's like this. Now x1 into x2 into x3 is equal to 60. If I split it into prime factors, it will come out as 3 into 2 square into 5. Now how do we handle this particular question? Imagine this as a kind, this as a different kind, and this as a different kind. Suppose if I am looking at this as one kind, so factor of 3 is only availability is 1. Here availability of 2 is for 2 times and availability of 5 is only for 1 times. So that means imagine one is apple, second one is banana, and the third one is mango, say. So I have 1 apple, 2 bananas, and 1 mango. In how many ways this can be distributed among these 3 friends? That's the question. Now what I do is, I'll write down this as x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. I write like this. Why 1? Because the power of 3 is 1. So in this way I write down. Second one is x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 2. That is the second one. The power of the next number, which is 2. Then the third one, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1. Suppose I have here 3, 5 cube. That also I can write is equal to 3. Now what are the number of solutions I want? For this I have to find out. What is this? In one way, I am distributing 1 apple among 3 friends. I cannot cut the apple into pieces. I have to give the apple as a whole. That means what? One of them gets 1 apple and the other 2 people won't get anything. So what are the possibilities I can get here? 1, 0, 0. So one person gets 1 apple, other 2 people don't get anything. Or the second one gets an apple and similarly the third one gets an apple. There are 3 possibilities in which that 1 apple can be distributed among 3 people. Therefore, the number of possibilities are 3. If I take the second one, how it can go? So I can give 2 bananas to 1 person, remaining 2 people don't get anything because I am not cutting the fruit. Second one, 0, 2, 0 or 0, 0, 2. These are the 3 cases. Or I can also do like this. 1, 1, 0. 2 people get 1 and 1. The third one don't get anything. That is 0. Or it can be like this. Second person don't get anything. The first and the third one will get the distribution. And the third one is 0, 1, 1. These are the possibilities. So that means these 2 put together, I get 6 possibilities. Now here, the third one again, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. So this will be equal to 3. So individually, the first fruit can be distributed in 3 ways. The second one can be distributed in 6 ways. And the third one can be distributed into 3 ways. Now, I want the distribution to be done. All of them should be distributed. So therefore, first one and second one and third one. The total possibilities will be 3 into 6 into 3, which is equal to 18. 18 into 3 is equal to 54. So the number of ordered triplets which I get is nothing but 54, where x1, x2, x3 are integers which are positive. This is the way in which we can handle the question if the number is increased to a bigger number. We can take a still bigger number. We'll go to the next question with a bigger number.